Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is a big thank you video for everybody that watches my channel, that's been participating in my live shows, and just want to say thank you. I've just passed 40,000 subscribers on this channel, and this happened in the past week. And my subscriber rate of increase is about 2,500 a month, which is pretty amazing. And we're almost at 16 million views. We're probably already there. The view counter on YouTube is always a little far behind, so I would say that I'm probably there already, but if not, in the next few weeks we will be there. I'm 15.8 million or something like that right now. So all of that is thanks to you. Without the viewers, without the people continuing to follow my videos, would not be possible. So I want to say a big thank you to everybody, and thank you for helping me basically live out of doing some YouTube stuff. I must admit it is a very cool thing, and it would not be possible without the participation of all of you guys and girls out there. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. 40,000 subscribers, 16 million views. Wow. Thanks.